Hi guys, welcome back to Targets Trading. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the trade that we did and the profit we made for today. So if you are a new viewer and have not watched all the videos, please do watch all the videos, and if you are liking this video, please do like the video, and if you want to be a part of the channel, please do subscribe to Targets Trading. So okay, let us not wait much guys, let us start with the video. Okay, so as you can see here, today the market opened in a positive way. Okay, that there was a gap up in the market, but the direction of the market was negative. Okay, it opened in a positive, but the direction of market was negative. So what we did was we took a short position today and booked some profit on today's trade. Okay, as you can see here, the market opened in a positive way. So yesterday's close, you can see here. So the yesterday's close is at around 13283. That is where it closed, but opened at around 13373. That is where it opened and went high at first few minutes, but again started falling in the next section. So there was a negative movement in the market, so we actually took a short position on this particular day, so and made a decent profit on this in this market. Okay, so out of so many stocks that we chose today, we actually traded on only one stock. So as we say, we only make one good trade a day. So we chose many stocks for this. Okay, that is Zeals, SRTR Finance, PVR, Indigo, so BHEL, BEL, Tata Power, Ibulsven, Yamandam Finance, Manappuram. So out of this, we actually traded on M&M Finance. So this is the stock which we traded on today, guys. Okay, as you can see here, we actually took a short position on this particular day. Okay, so we actually took at 160.70 somewhere here we took. Okay, so 70 somewhere we took. Okay, so we took and made a profit of 0.3%, but the market went all the way till 158. Okay, this is sorry, not 158, 158.20. so from our target positions we went to almost 1%. Okay, so 1% it went down and again started rebounding. Okay, you can see here guys, you can see the graph, and I'll show you the proof of where we traded today. Okay, you can see here we actually traded at around 9:30 in the morning. So that is where we took the trade, 9:35, 9:40 somewhere we took the trade, and sold at 160.70 and bought it at 160.15. so this is where we took a trade. Okay, and made some decent profit. Okay, you can see here guys, we made at around the 0.35% profit today. So as there was some good movement in the market, so we took a extra target. We may put a extra target and made a decent profit, that is almost near to 0.3% as we take every day. So you can see here we took it around, I'm sorry, so you can see here we sold it around 160.70. this is where we sold stock and bought it at 160.25. so only within 3 minutes we finished our trade. Sorry, not 3 minutes, it's around within 20 minutes we took a trade. I'm sorry for that guys. So within 20 minutes we finished our trade, almost 5-10 minutes we finished our trade and said this is enough for the day, and made some decent profit. But the stock went all the way up to 1% down, so we made some decent profit for today guys. If you are liking this video, please do hit that like button, and if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to Targets Trading, and if please do share this video to your friends and families so that they can also learn guys. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.